Hi, this is my Brigs Tractor 250 homemade tractor. So, there's a charging plug that charges up the battery in it for running the headlights and a few other stuff because this sadly it's tapped. I can't get it to stay straight. Vibration as well. Okay, it's got a 3.5 horse Briggs and Stratton and something. So it's got a vacuum carburetor, climber bulb. I pretend it's made in Nebraska, though of course it's not really. I really made it myself. So the engine, I put a heavy flywheel on the belt and it's down here. This is an emergency start button. The key, horn, headlight switch, fault meter, forward and reverse lever. And we'll get it out so we can take a closer look at the paint. It's blistering off of this muffler here. Evidently it's not very high quality paint. So it looks kind of nice without it, doesn't it? It's cool. And it'll blister off on its own altogether, probably. Yeah, we'll start it up and get it out. So I'm assuming I'll need to prime the engine for me. See, I forgot to bring out my camera tripod. I'll get it out. I'll get out my tractor and then hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna put in the key. Three pushes of the lawnmower generally does it. Well, I start on the first or second pull. There's the horn. Here it is. Very loud. We'll take a look at that then. Okay, we'll drive it. Pressing forward the lever with my foot. I never even thought of doing that. So just so you know, I'm only 12 years old, so it's pretty impressive that I built it. I think it's a pretty neat little tractor. It's 3.5 horsepower, Briggs and Stratton engine. That big gas tank there is just a when I keep extra fuel in. So I'll stop it so you can see how good it restarts. Answer that. Okay. Set up the camera so you can see me driving. So I'll be able to start at one pull. So, it's the headlights and the tail light. Since the engine doesn't have it, and there's voltmeter lights up. When you turn off the key, the horn or headlights will not work, neither of them. There's the battery. It's not it's a rechargeable battery, but I can't charge it with the engine doesn't have a charging alternator, so I just have a port on the side that I charge it with. Okay. 12 volt. So, in more detailed exhaust system. This is I think it's an old brand muffler, not very good quality. Not great quality. It's a really cool sound. So, and some black gas line from Lowe's. Running comes out from the engine to here, where I've got an adapter connected to that. PPPP. It's a BNS 3.5 horsepower, like I said. Probably a 4 horsepower. Might be rated at 4 horsepower. It's a 158 cubic centimeter. 2010. And this tractor I built, the frame was originally, it's wooden frame. Which I was going to use it for with a Honda engine for a tractor truck. I don't even know if I knew what kind of cab, if it was going to have a cab or what. But this is my furthest I've ever gone out of about 10. Well, I've planned to make a vehicle drive about 20 times. Actually started building about 4 times. This is definitely the most successful because it actually drives. Very cool little tractor, isn't it? And the steering system and transaxle. Steering wheel, those are from a John, and the gas tank and that part from a John Deere STX 38 lawn tractor. And the transaxle's a Kanzaki, I think it's a K55. Hydrostatic. It's the bumper. Oh, it's supposed to just make it look nice, so it's actually not stick forward as far as the front wheels. So yeah, this is just a milk crate, I think. Seats off a Troy belt riding mower. Wooden trailer, I don't think I'd ever tell anything with it with that tiny engine. Dashboard up close. And yeah. The little, I have a fuel set-off valve and I keep some gas, and this is a gas tank, see? Some gas in there. And then I just open up the fuel set-off valve and put the tube in the little vacuum carburetor gas tank. Fill up the engine. So yeah. Belt engine, I don't even use a spring, just a pair of pulleys pulled tightly. So yeah. Guess that's all. There's a little connector for trailers. No pedals, just the only thing that you do with your foot that you can hold this forward with your foot, because this will go back to neutral. Tends to if you like that. Of course, you can, when it's pushed all the way forward, this little hole you slip this into, so you don't have to hold it. Push it with your foot. So yeah, it's the wheel filler. Yeah, kind of funny position how the engine's backwards. Pretty easy to spin, start it. Usually starts on, I never had it take more than 2 pulls as far as I can remember. So yeah, guess that's it. You can see it. We'll see the charger. Battery's clamped down on this, you know. The charger's right here. So yeah, guess that's it. Bye.